We're on our way to the rainforest right now, and these hills that we've been going up and down have been amazing. And of course, we're on our bus, and this guy's a great driver getting through this. Typically in the city, there's not even any street signs, speed limit signs, none of that stuff. And he got us here fine, but the roads are a little wet, a little slick right now, and the twists and turns are tight. And they're putting stones under the wheels of the bus to help us get the rest of the way up this hill, but it is definitely beautiful here, and we're on our way to the rainforest, so we're going to hope the bus makes it up the hill. None of us had an idea of how beautiful this would be. This land is absolutely gorgeous up here in the mountains. We're up. The clouds are not too high from us now, and everything's green, and the water runs. You can actually hear the water running under the ground here, and it's absolutely beautiful. Mm-hmm. There you go. There you go, see.